Hi, so these were two problems for day 7 of 15 days of MathSmart Puzzle Challenge. So we'll solve both these problems one by one. So let me first solve the problem number 1. So the problem number 1 is my grandfather's clock takes 6 seconds to chime thrice at 3 p.m. How long will it take to chime 6 times at 6 p.m. So at 3 p.m. it chimes for 3 times. That means 1, 2 and 3, and it takes total 6 seconds to chime, and there are total 1 and 2 gaps between 3 chimes. So the duration of one gap is actually equal to 6 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 3 seconds. That means the duration between 2 chimes is 3 seconds, right? It does a ting sound and then it waits for 3 seconds, and again it does the chiming sound and waits for 3 seconds, and again it does the chiming sound. And when the same clock chimes 6 times at 6 p.m., this will actually be something like this, where there will be total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 gaps. So the time taken for the clock to chime 6 times will be 5 multiplied by the duration of one gap, that is 3 seconds. This will be equal to total 15 seconds. So the clock will take 15 seconds to chime 6 times at 6 p.m. So the answer is not 12 seconds, it is 15 seconds. And now let's go to the second problem. So the problem statement over here is 12 students are standing in a queue. If 4 flower pots are placed between every 2 students, how many flower pots are there altogether? So if there are 2 students, student number 1 and student number 2, then we have total 1, 2, 3 and 4 flower pots placed between them. And suppose if there are total 3 students, then the number of gaps will be 1 and 2, and this will again have 4 flower pots in between these 2 students. So there will be total 4 plus 4, 8 number of flower pots. So since there are 12 students, so let me write the number in place of each student. So suppose these are the spots for 12 students, then there will be total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 blank spaces between all those students, and each blank space will have 4 number of flower pots. That means the total number of flower pots required will be 11 multiplied by 4, 44. So this is the correct answer for the number of flower pots required to be placed in between 12 students. So that's all for this video, and in few hours I'll be posting problem set for day 8. So keep watching MathSmart and bye bye till then.